The Australian Time Travel Study Group, based in Adelaide, South Australia, presents the Map Scroll online seminar. It is based on our Ancient Mysteries workshop, with the information being taken from the book entitled Ancient Chronicles Unsealed. Queensland researcher Ronald Pegg, while investigating ancient maps of the world and other ancient stories and texts, observed a specific set of similar characteristics. Some were depicted as being round, some had 6 regions, and one was specifically of the Mediterranean area. The ancient Egyptians drew a disc and worshipped it as a sun god, who provided them with 14 rays of wisdom. The Hindu gods Ganesha and Vishnu both held a disc. The Egg of Brahma creation story has 21 zones. Nostradamus drew a knowledge wheel, which he called the Wheel of Destiny of Nations. The Queen of France called it a magic circle, and she saw information about her sons on a magic mirror. A disc of the Mediterranean with 6 regions, one with a hillock, one with a mountain, as 7 areas above the water, or a wheel with 8 sections, having 14 rays of wisdom, and also known as a magic circle with a magic mirror. Egyptian glyphs explain that the disc its underside shines, and that the disc, its protruding ledge, is a disc-shaped saddle in the side of the box. Nostradamus reports that by itself sits on a saddle in the air. In the late 1920s, 9 witnesses held and saw a compact disc's clear plastic jewel case, but this was before plastic was invented. Pegg was astounded with what he had discovered. A disc refers to a compact disc, and its underside does shine. It does sit in a saddle in the air, which is a protruding ledge in the side of the CPU box. And the magic mirror refers to the monitor. And then there is the 1920s plastic CD case picture, before plastic was invented. Using these remaining clues, Pegg searched for a compact disc that matched these descriptions. This 1995 CD-ROM is about the Mediterranean region. The main menu screen is a map of the Mediterranean. The ancient Greek map was derived from the shape of the disc and the map seen on screen. The 7 areas depicted above the water refers to the 7 active icons, which are literally above the water. 6 of them provide information regarding 6 ancient civilizations of the region. This ancient depiction was derived from the shape of the disc and those 6 main sections. The 6 regions have also been depicted like this. Behind 2 of the civilizations, the Atlantis hillock and mountain represent a hillock and a mountain that were seen on screen. The wheel with 8 segments represents the 8 main sections from this CD-ROM, which are the 6 civilizations, the start screen, and the help section. Having 14 rays of wisdom refers to the 14 main screens on this CD-ROM, which are the 6 help pages, the map page, the 6 civilizations, and the start screen, totaling 14. The Egg of Brahma story includes the 7 videos from the Egyptian section and explains that within the Egg of Brahma are 21 zones. The Earth is the 7th. Above the Earth are 6 heavens. Below it, 7 netherworlds, and below that are further 7 hells, totaling 21 zones. Ronald Pegg concluded that finding this CD-ROM and its contents described and depicted in all these ancient stories is proof that these modern objects have been seen back in the past. Many ancient mysteries have been solved by Ronald Pegg. Our printed books provide more details and include specific case studies such as Egyptians, Gods and Atlantis, Nostradamus, the Bible and Nostradamus, the Ezekiel, Daniel and Revelation encounters, and one about the two researchers. These three are the resource books for our new Dreams and Vision workshop. Book details can be found on our website, timetravelevidence.com.au/ATTSG.